Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up Notebooklm prompt. To begin, open Notebooklm in your web browser. This is where you'll create a new notebook and add the source material that your prompt will use. Make sure the page is fully loaded so you can clearly see the main workspace and navigation options before moving on. Next, copy a sample source link you want to use, such as a YouTube link. This source will give Notebooklm content to work with, so choose something relevant to the prompt or topic you want to build around. Before copying, it's a good idea to double check that the link is correct and accessible. That can help avoid issues when you add it into the notebook. Once you have your source link copied, look to the top right area of the screen for the Create New option. This is where you'll start a fresh notebook. If you're new to the platform, this is the key starting point for organizing your sources and prompts in one place. Go ahead and click Create New. This opens a new notebook where you can begin adding your material. Starting with a clean notebook helps keep your work focused, especially if you are setting up content for a specific task, summary, or research topic. After the new notebook opens, paste the link you copied into the source area. This tells Notebooklm what content to pull in and reference. Be careful to paste the full link correctly. If needed, pause for a moment and confirm that the source is recognized properly before continuing. Once your source has been added, you can either select one of the sample suggestions shown on the screen to make your request clearer, or type directly into the text box at the bottom. This is where you shape the prompt and guide the output you want. If you're not sure what to write, starting with a suggestion can be helpful because it gives you a structured starting point. If you already know what you need, entering your own prompt in the text box gives you more control and specificity. When everything looks good, click Save to Note so you don't lose your work. This is an important final step because it keeps your prompt or response stored inside the notebook for easy reference later. Saving your note also helps you stay organized if you plan to return and refine the prompt again. That's it. You've now set up a Notebooklm prompt using a source link, a new notebook, and either a suggested or custom prompt entry.